Welcome to Pattaya Floating Market, one of Thailand's most famous attractions. Opened in 2008 to showcase Thai culture and regional crafts. Built on more than 100,000 square meters of canals and bridges. Visitors buy tickets here for market entry and boat rides. Tickets include cultural shows and souvenir photos. Over 350,000 visitors explore here each year. Shops follow classic Thai wooden architecture. Inspired by river villages from a century ago. Every walkway feels like a step through Thai history. Grilled seafood, coconut ice cream, and roti pancakes fill the air. Bridges link every section of the market. The market represents 4 regions of Thailand. Boat rides are the highlight for many visitors. A calm look at Thai life on the water. A small area for children to play and families to rest. Every visit feels new with changing vendors and foods. Long-tail boats once carried traders between villages. Now they sell fruit, snacks, souvenirs, or carry people. sporting area. The canal runs about 350 meters through the market. A slow, scenic ride through bridges and floating homes. Locals sell Thai desserts and drinks from their boats. Each ticket includes a souvenir photo from your ride. A small keepsake to remember the visit. Heading back gives another view of the market. The Buddha statue brings luck and peace to travelers. Many visitors stop to make a wish before leaving. Thanks for watching Pattaya Floating Market with Asia on Walk. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos.